everyone, this is Robert Demanco here. Today I'm going to be giving you a review of Passive Funnel System, a brand new system aimed for people who are just starting out on affiliate marketing. What a great product. Really gone back to basics. None of the complications of this system. They just really made it really basic, really simple, but effective. Effective, guys. A great product, low cost, easy for it to start going. They got a great methodology. But I'm assuming that you've gone through their web page and you looked at it and you're questioning whether or not it's worth it or not. I'm going to be showing you the product in a moment, but I will do that in a moment. But I'm going to give you a couple of additional benefits. One, if you watch the video right to the end, I'm going to give you access to over 7,500 images that you can use on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you name it. It's going to be so much content. You're going to be you won't know what to do for, and you have enough content for over a year. Also, I'm going to show you how I do clickbank marketing. It's quite unique. It's a great product, but you've got to watch to the end. But also, if you buy through me on the link down below, you'll be getting access to some really unique quality content that I use to promote YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Great training programs that I use successfully, very successfully, that you can have. I'm going to show you the bonus I'm going to give to you. One is, as an affiliate marketer, email list gold. They're very fantastic. You need to know how to use them properly, because email lists typically worth about $2 per month per person on average. So you need to have, there's a ratio. Some people get only 50 cents, some people get $10. So why such a big difference? Well, I've learned some techniques that are going to make a big difference. So you got to look at this. This particular training program going to help you in double, triple, quadruple your dollar per person on the list. So watch out. The other one, next one, how do you get a list? You can buy them. Don't do it. I've did it. Made a big mistake. Big mistake. Wasted my money. I'm going to show you how I create my buyers list. So real secrets. This is a technique that I use. So I've got really quite a big list now in a number of different, in Facebook, in Instagram, on my website. And by the way, you can just click on the link down below. So watch out. Also, I've given some ways I make money out of Facebook. Wow. It took me a while to get right, but using this technique, it just works for me, and I'm sure it'll work for you as well. Finally, the actually 5 bonuses and how to do on Instagram. They're very similar to Facebook, but it's a little tweaks and little nuances that you need to know about. So look out. And finally, how to promote products online. This is an exclusive offer. This is how I do it. So watch out. Take it. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to look at this actual system. Just before we get into the review, I'm going to just give you a short introduction of the video that they prepared, and I'm sure you're going to like it, because it's got a lot of content, got an emotional thing. It's worth watching it through to the end. So I'll see you at the end of the video. Thanks, guys.
Our students and beta testers have had so much success with this brand new method. My team and I have built an incredible, first of its kind system and step-by-step training portal that lets beginners just like you do exactly what we're doing. So if you can follow these 4 super simple steps, then you could succeed with our brand new system. Step 1, purchase Passive Funnel System and copy our high converting capture page. Quickly grab a copy before the price increases. Please note, the price is increasing every 60 minutes, so please be quick. Step 2, activate our special code that gets you more leads, more opt-ins and sales. Step 3, use the detailed training to improve your results. Step 4, rinse and repeat the process to scale your income super fast. Yes, it really is that easy, and each passive funnel takes just minutes to set up. You see, the reason most people fail to make money online isn't because they're not trying. It's because they're trying too hard and focusing on the wrong methods that simply don't work. These days, consumers want things almost immediately. They want it right now. And when you understand this, you could see results in far less time. Hi, my name is Mark Whiteley, and together with my partner Anthony Rusick, we would like to give you the complete solution and the opportunity where you could be making money starting today. You see, nothing is better for marketers than today's I want it now consumer. Because even though both Anthony and I have years of experience and are highly successful affiliate marketers, it took us both over 3 years to reach those levels of success. Today, people could see success extremely easily and get results in a fraction of the time. Simply because with our special page and secret code, it takes fewer steps to turn prospects into customers. Today's consumers' attention spans are so short that most of the outdated list building methods and email styles don't get the results. All the hard work and expense is completely wasted. Now, after seeing the effects of this cutting into our own profits, we decided to reinvent the way we generate leads and commissions. So myself and Anthony developed a system and a secret code that puts list building and making commissions into a single, simple step. Since using this system, our commissions have skyrocketed, and my marketing campaigns run on autopilot, where we are finally able to profit instantly from cold, solo ad traffic or any type of traffic at all. Marketers of all backgrounds have been testing this system, from experts to complete beginners. The results have been nothing short of incredible for everybody, making 2 to 3 times higher commissions in less time and practically with zero effort. Introducing the new passive funnel system. The beauty of this system is that it eliminates practically any chance of failure. Instead, it delivers a proven solution for both list building and making quick commissions. Straight off, you get over-the-shoulder, step-by-step training that shows you how to build highly profitable funnels and how you can generate instant commissions with cold traffic. You'll receive our secret code that allows you to monitor your traffic and increase sales. You'll quickly understand the right type of offers that convert with cold traffic. You'll see behind the scenes of a live case study so you can easily replicate the results. Plus a complete funnel checklist that will keep you on track every step of the way. Launching your passive funnel system takes just minutes. So you'll be building a responsive list and could be making commissions almost instantly. We even reveal the secrets to selling recurring offers, which means you could earn passive monthly commissions. When you want to scale up, even beyond what the system shows you, you're covered. Because this is so simple to do, you just need to rinse and repeat the easy steps for even more commissions. Look, the passive funnel system works for anyone who can follow very basic instructions. It's incredibly beginner friendly. Just follow the detailed step-by-step training and you can have your first passive funnel up and running in just minutes from now. Step 1 is to purchase the passive funnel system and copy our high converting capture page. Quickly grab a copy before the price increases. Now please note, the price is increasing every 60 minutes, so please be quick. Step 2, activate our special code that gets you more leads, more opt-ins, and of course more sales. Step 3, use the detailed training to improve your results. And step 4 is to rinse and repeat the process to scale your income super fast. Yes, it really is that easy, and each passive funnel takes just minutes to set up. Absolutely zero experience is needed, and the training is over the shoulder, step by step, and extremely detailed to get you the best possible results, making this an all-inclusive list building and income generating solution straight out of the box. It's incredible to see the results these instantly monetized funnels can bring you. Further down this page, you'll actually see results and testimonials from some of our beta testers who are telling us how easily they're building lists and how quickly they're making commissions. Then go ahead and grab access now, because during this launch, you get everything for a steeply discounted one-time investment. The over-the-shoulder, step-by-step training, our unique high-converting landing page, the secret to instant commissions, the secret code that could triple your sales instantly, the inside secrets on which offers convert with cold traffic, the live case study, the complete checklist, plus our unique support and access to our private Facebook group. And remember, you don't need any experience to start building a huge list, and you could get instant commissions starting today. Below this message, you will see complete details, our results, the testimonials, and the results from real users of this world-class, never revealed before money-making system. Now at this point, you're probably thinking that this unique commission generating system is going to cost you a fortune. And yes, under normal circumstances, you'd be 100% right to think that. considering most courses and systems that reveal just a fraction that the passive funnel system does charge at least $297 or more. But today, you won't be paying $297, you won't even be paying $97. No, not even $97. As we want as many people to succeed with this system, we've decided to offer it for a very limited, insanely low one-time investment. When you act during this limited launch period, you'll be paying less than a meal at your local McDonald's. When you act right now, you can get in for a super low, one-time price that will never be repeated again. And it gets even better. When you act right now, we're going to give you 3 amazing money-making bonuses completely free. You can see all the details below. But remember, these bonuses are not your typical PLR bonuses that you're probably used to seeing. These are unique, high-quality bonuses that are only on offer during this special launch. And to make this a complete no-brainer, we're removing all the risk with our 100% no questions asked money back guarantee. So if you don't build a profitable list and start making those commissions, then simply contact us and we'll return your entire investment. This is a complete no-brainer. That's how confident we are that you're going to love the results you get with the passive funnel system. The only way that you can lose is if you don't take action right now. So be quick and take action today, because the price of the passive funnel system is increasing every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more, or even worse, you'll miss out completely. If you want to start building a profitable list where you could generate instant commissions, then click the buy button below right now to lock in your discount and get immediate access to the passive funnel system. Check below for more details, then click the buy now button to gain access where you can start making money from today. I'll see you on the inside.
It wasn't that good, guys. That's a great video training. But now I'm going to show you the product funnel system itself. It's an online system, really good. They're going to give you some free training. Yes, it's easy to log on. You can get the support call you to live training here. You also really useful have a Facebook group. So join them because you can't get enough support. And also there's a whole bunch of different support and additional products they sell on here, so you can go on there. And then here's the training access. You can get training access and show exactly step by step what to do, step by step. So you just go through one by one. So there's talking about different methodologies, tools you require, funnels. There's so much information here. It's worth going through this stuff and using it, guys. For the value, it's sensational value. So just a high overview. You can see what it is. It's easy enough. There's training material. You can download it so you can see it on home without being on the net. You can do it from anywhere. So take advantage of it, guys. Take advantage of it. Go for it. Now, as promised early in the video, there's going to be 3 additional bonuses. So get your pen and paper. On the screen now, got the 3 bonuses. The first 2 are zip files. You just once you click on type the URL Robert Domenko / just go through, type it up. Then you'll be able to have instant access to 7,500 new images. You don't have to buy them from any of the photo pasters, or you'll be able to get these absolutely free from me. Grab those. There's no they're royalty free. You can use them as you wish. But there's several years of content you can put on Instagram, Facebook. The great material. And also you'll be able to download a step-by-step instruction of ClickBank. So I hope you like this the short review. Thanks for listening, and have a great 2021. See you later, guys. Bye.